Who won the FIDE Women's Chess World Cup 2025 by defeating Koneru Hampi in the finals? Correct answer is option A, Divya Deshmukh. Which country hosted the 51st G7 summit in 2025? Correct answer is option D, Canada. Which country has recently become the world's second largest tea exporter? Correct answer is option C, India. Who has been elected as the president of the Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank? Right answer, option C, Zhou Ziai. What is India's rank in the Henley Passport Index released in July 2025? Correct answer is option A, 77th rank. Recently, Narendra Modi has been honored with the highest honor, Grand Cross of Makarios III, of which country? Right answer is option D, Cyprus. Where has India's first butterfly sanctuary been established? Correct answer is option A, Arulam, Kerala. Which team did India defeat in both men's and women's Kabaddi World Cup 2025 finals? Correct answer is option D, England. In which state is India's first white tiger breeding center approved recently? Correct answer is option A, Madhya Pradesh. Who has recently been appointed as the 52nd Chief Justice of India? Correct answer is option C, B.R. Gavai. Which is the 44th Indian site to be inscribed in the UNESCO World Heritage List? Correct answer is option A, Maratha Military Landscapes. Bonalu festival is recently celebrated in which state? Correct answer is option D, Telangana. Who has become the first woman president of the International Olympic Committee, IOC? Correct answer is option A, Kirsty Coventry. Where was the 2025 World Hydrogen Summit held? Correct answer is option D, Rotterdam, Netherlands. Which newspaper was awarded 2025 UNESCO Guillermo Cano World Press Freedom Prize? Right answer is option C, La Prensa. Karol Nawrocki has been elected as the president of which country? Right answer is option C, Poland. Who won the men's singles title in Wimbledon Open 2025? Correct answer is option B, Jannik Sinner. Who has been appointed as the new Chief of Research and Analysis Wing, RAW? Correct answer is option A, Parag Jain. Who has been elected as the president of the International Big Cat Alliance? Correct answer is option D, Bhupendra Yadav. Where was the first International Conference on Glaciers Preservation 2025 held? Right answer is option D, Dushanbe, Tajikistan. Who has become the president of the Badminton World Federation? Correct answer is option C, Khunying Patama. Who has been crowned as the 72nd Miss World 2025? Correct answer is option B, Opal Suchata Changsri of Thailand. Who has been elected as the president of the World Anti-Doping Agency, WADA, for the third time? Correct answer is option A, Witold Banker. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of IRDAI? Correct answer is option C, Ajay Seth. Who has been appointed as the first woman Director General of Railway Protection Force? Correct answer is option C, Sonali Mishra. The World Food Prize 2025 has been given to Dr. Mariangela Hengria. She belongs to which country? Correct answer is option D, Brazil. Where is the World Audio Visual and Entertainment Summit, WAVES 2025 being held? Correct answer is option D, Mumbai, Maharashtra. Who has been reappointed as the chairman of Central Board of Direct Taxes, CBDT, till June 2026? Correct answer is option A, Ravi Agarwal. President Draupadi Murmu was recently awarded City Key of Honor in which European city? Correct answer is option A, Lisbon. Who is the author of the book, Heart Lamp, which has received the International Booker Prize 2025? Correct answer is option C, Banu Mushtaq. Who will be awarded the 59th Jnanpith Award for his outstanding contribution to the Hindi literature? Correct answer is option C, Vinod Kumar Shukla. Who has been appointed as the new governor of Haryana? Correct answer is option A, Ashim Kumar Ghosh. Who has been recently awarded the Pen Pinter Prize 2025? Correct answer is option B, Leila Abollela. Who has been recently been elected as the first woman Secretary General of United Nations World Tourism Organization? Correct answer is option B, Sheikha Al-Nowais. Who won the Best Motion Picture Drama Award at the 82nd Golden Globe Awards 2025? Correct answer is option A, The Brutalist. Where was India's first ever high-altitude climate research station inaugurated? Correct answer is option C, Jammu and Kashmir. Zedmore Tunnel or Sonmarg Tunnel, which has been recently inaugurated by PM Modi, is located in which state, UT? Correct answer is option A, Jammu and Kashmir. Who has been appointed as the next executive chairman of the National Legal Services Authority, NALSA? Correct answer is option C, Justice Surya Kant. Who has been re-elected as the president of the New Development Bank, NDB? Correct answer is option C, Dilma Rousseff. Who has become the first Indian to receive the Fred Darrington Sandmaster Award? Correct answer is option C, Sudarshan Patnaik. The joint military exercise Ekuvaran is held between India and which country? Correct answer is option A, Maldives. Who won the women's singles title of French Open 2025? Right answer is option D, Coco Gauff. The Khinchan and Manar wetlands are located in which state that has been recently included in the Ramsar sites? Right answer is option B, Rajasthan. Who has been recently appointed as the second principal secretary to PM Narendra Modi? Correct answer is option A, Shaktikanta Das. Who became the first African woman to serve as the Secretary General of the Commonwealth? Right answer, option C, Shirley Botchway. Who has been awarded the prestigious Abel Prize 2025? Right answer is option B, Masaki Kashiwara. What is India's rank in the Climate Change Performance Index 2025? Correct answer is option C, 10th rank. Who won the Subhash Chandra Bose Disaster Management Award 2025? Correct answer is option C, INCOIS, Indian National Centre for Ocean Information Services. Which two Indian cities were recently included in the list of wetland cities under the Ramsar Convention? Correct answer is option C, Indore and Udaipur. Who has been elected as the president of the 80th session of the United Nations General Assembly, UNGA? Correct answer is option A, Annalena Baerbock. Which of the following cities will host the 2025 World Athletics Championships? Correct answer, option A, Tokyo, Japan. The world's first 3D printed railway station has been built by which country? Correct answer is option C, Japan. Which country topped the medal tally at the Asian Athletics Championships 2025? Correct answer is option C, China. Which two languages have been recognized as the official language of Ladakh for the first time? Correct answer is option C, Bhoti and Purgi. The NATO Summit 2025 was recently held in which country? Correct answer is option B, The Hague, Netherlands. Which country recently honored Prime Minister Narendra Modi with its highest civilian award, Mitra Vibhushan? Correct answer is option A, Sri Lanka. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of UPSC in May 2025? Correct answer is option B, Ajay Kumar. Where was the 6th BIMSTEC Summit 2025 held? Right answer is option B, Thailand. Who has been elected as the 11th President of Asian Development Bank? Correct answer, option A, Masato Kanda. According to the World Bank, what is the projected economic growth of India for financial year 2025-26? Correct answer is option B, 6.3%. Who has been appointed as the President of the Confederation of Indian Industry for 2025-26? Correct answer is option A, Rajiv Memani. Which state won the 15th Hockey India Senior Men National Championship Trophy 2025? Correct answer is option A, Punjab. Who won the 2025 UN Population Award for her efforts to stop sex-selective abortion and promote gender equality? Correct answer is option A, Varsha Deshpande. Who authored the book titled Indira Gandhi and the Years That Transformed India? Correct answer is option D, Srinath Raghavan. According to the Survey of India, what is the new official length of India's coastline? Correct answer is option A, 11,098.81 kilometers. Who won the Palme d'Or at the 78th Cannes Film Festival? Correct answer is option B, Jafar Panahi. Which country will become the 21st member of the Eurozone from January 1, 2026? Right answer is option C, Bulgaria. Which district has become India's first fully solar-powered district in May 2025? Correct answer is option C, Diu. Where is India's first e-waste eco-park is being established? Right answer is option D, Delhi. Who has topped the Khelo India Winter Games 2025 medal tally? Comment down your answer below and also don't forget to share your score.